All right, welcome to another episode of In the Garage, guys. So I got a couple requests as far as how I have my helmet set up for the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So I have a feeling my way isn't going to apply to most, just because I'm still using a GoPro Hero 4. Now, next month, when the media mod gets released, I'm going to have a completely different setup at that point in time. And I'll figure after I get that, it'll be a good time for a review and I can show you the new setup at that point in time. So for today though, what we're going to do is go over how the helmet is currently set up and trying to just kind of show you how I'm getting the audio I am getting when I'm riding. So for me, it starts for the audio purposes. My audio runs through my Sena. So right here, I have the Sena 20S Evo, and I'm not sure if the camera will pick up in there, but I got the two speakers and then the microphone, which is right in there. I have a dead cat on top of it. So this is nice setup for me for right now, again, because it's pretty much wireless. I got all the wires hidden for the speakers and everything, you know. The one shortcoming of my current audio setup is going to be that it doesn't do dual vlogging very well, which is why I need the media mod. I already got the microphone, the splitters, everything set up for that. But until then, it's just going to be me doing solo stuff. And that's not me breathing heavy. That's Moses. Moses, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Moses. Anyway, back to the talent. So how does this connect here to my GoPro? Well, it's going to my GoPro Hero 4 that I still have. So the 4 had this nice little doohickey made by Sena, and it plugs into the audio port on the GoPro Hero 4. So when I activate this actually connects to the Sena unit, and I get an acknowledgement that it's now recording in UHD mode or whatever. So when I'm doing my audio, gross dogs, my camera's up here, but my audio is actually being transmitted from helmet to my handlebar, because again, everything's being recorded on this guy. Until again, media mods come in. So he's up there, and then as far as how I have this mounted here, this is, I guess you could say, kind of jerry-rigged. The Shoei GT Air is not ideal for getting these set up. If you look at it, it's got some bends to it, which I plan on taking these things out at some point once I can dial in the exact point of view feel that I want. But until then, I'm leaving them there so I can adjust it a little bit easier. So once I have it where I want, as you can see here from this picture of the GoPro 8, it has the flip out pieces. Then I was essentially just mount it in there, and we are good to go. So then the next step would be post edit, because the audio I'm getting through the GoPro when I'm riding is terrible for motorcycle riding in its natural state. It is loud, it's noisy, you cannot hear me. So what I have to do is, the second I turn on both cameras and start recording, I either snap my fingers 3 times, clap, clap, clap 3 times, something along those lines, so when I go into post, I can line up the two audios together and they would be able to sync up that way. That's the only way I'm able to get the audio I'm currently getting. Now, hopefully within the next month or so, that will change, and I'll provide you guys an update and do a fuller build at that point in time. But I just want to give you guys a quick update as far as how the helmet currently works, and go from there. I mean, if you have any questions on this setup, please let me know. Be glad to answer any questions. Again, I am fortunate because I started again with the Hero 4. This is a lifesaver for basically, you are gross. Stop it. I hear my kid upstairs too, so I'm gonna go and cut this video off. But again, this is the reason I'm able to record the audio I am recording currently. Once the mods come out next month, I will have an updated video for you guys with a complete helmet setup at that point. Hope you guys have a good one. Chopper Fit out. Bye. See you guys.